Hey there, fellow Mythbusters! Today we're cracking open the world of Pepsi and exploring the fascinating journey of how this iconic beverage goes from factory to fridge. Buckle up as we venture inside a Pepsi mega factory, a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to precision and efficiency. Imagine a sprawling complex, a symphony of machinery humming in perfect harmony. This isn't just any factory, it's a behemoth capable of churning out millions of bottles and cans of Pepsi every single day. The sheer scale of the operation is awe-inspiring. Raw ingredients arrive in a constant flow, transformed into the refreshing drink we all know and love. From the initial purification of water to the final packaging, every step in the process is a testament to meticulous planning and cutting-edge technology. Get ready to witness firsthand the magic that happens inside these walls. We'll break down the myths and uncover the truth behind Pepsi's production, revealing the secrets behind its consistent taste and global appeal. Let's step onto the factory floor and see the magic happen. They say water is life, and for a beverage like Pepsi, it's the most crucial ingredient. We're talking about huge quantities of water, folks. But it's not just any water, it's got to be pure and pristine. Before any flavor gets added, the water undergoes a rigorous purification process. Think of it as a boot camp for H2O. The multi-stage filtration system removes impurities, sediments, and any unwanted elements that might compromise the taste. First, the water passes through large filters to remove visible particles. Then it goes through sand filtration, which acts like a superfine sieve. Next up, activated carbon filtration removes any remaining chlorine or organic compounds, ensuring the water is crystal clear and odorless. Finally, the water is disinfected using ultraviolet light, effectively eliminating any lingering bacteria or viruses. The result? Pure, refreshing water that's ready to become the base of your favorite Pepsi beverage. This meticulous water treatment process ensures that every sip of Pepsi is consistent, refreshing, and free from any off flavors. It's a testament to Pepsi's commitment to quality, starting with the most fundamental ingredients. Stay tuned. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get bubbly. The carbonation process is where Pepsi gets its signature fizz, that refreshing burst of bubbles that tickles your nose and makes it so darn enjoyable. The purified water is pumped into massive, pressurized tanks called carbonators. Here, it's infused with carbon dioxide gas, which dissolves into the water under pressure, creating carbonic acid. Think of it as forcing those tiny bubbles into the water, making it oh so fizzy. Meanwhile, the secret syrup is carefully measured and pumped into a mixing chamber, where it meets the carbonated water for the first time. The precise ratio of syrup to carbonated water is crucial, ensuring that every batch of Pepsi has that perfect balance of sweetness, tartness, and fizziness. The mixing process is a sight to behold, a swirling vortex of liquid that's constantly monitored for consistency and quality. Once mixed, the now fully realized Pepsi is chilled to the optimal drinking temperature, ready to be bottled or canned and sent out into the world. But before it can quench your thirst, there's one more crucial step: quality control, which we'll delve into next. Section 5. Quality first, ensuring Pepsi's perfection. Before any bottle or can of Pepsi leaves the factory, it undergoes a battery of tests to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and consistency. This is where the Mythbusters in us really get excited. Highly trained technicians in a state-of-the-art lab analyze samples from every batch, checking everything from sugar content and carbonation levels to color and clarity. They use specialized equipment to measure pH levels, taste, and even the size and distribution of the bubbles. The quality control team also conducts regular inspections of the production line, checking for any potential issues that could compromise the final product. They're like hawks, their keen eyes spotting any inconsistencies or deviations from the norm. Every single bottle and can of Pepsi is scrutinized, ensuring that only the best of the best make it to your hands. It's this unwavering commitment to quality that has made Pepsi a global icon, trusted and enjoyed by millions around the world. Now that we know the Pepsi is perfect, let's see how it gets bottled and canned up. Section 6. Bottling Brilliance. From empty to ready. Once the Pepsi passes quality control, it's time to bottle it up. Empty plastic bottles arrive fresh from the manufacturer. They're loaded onto a conveyor belt and whisked to the filling station. The bottles are rinsed and sterilized to ensure they're clean. Next, they're filled with perfectly chilled Pepsi. The bottles are then capped to seal in the freshness. They move on to the labeling station for the iconic Pepsi logo. Finally, the bottles are packed and ready for shipment. It's a symphony of efficiency, a testament to automation and dedication. Section 7. Can-Do Attitude Aluminum Can Production. For those who prefer their Pepsi in a can, the process is just as fascinating and efficient. It all starts with giant rolls of aluminum, which are fed into a machine that punches out circular shapes, the beginnings of our beloved cans. These aluminum discs are then stretched and formed into seamless cylinders with a top and bottom added. The cans are then thoroughly washed and sterilized, ensuring they're pristine and ready for filling. Just like with the bottles, the cans are filled with the perfectly chilled Pepsi, sealed airtight and labeled with the iconic Pepsi logo. The entire process is incredibly fast and efficient, with thousands of cans being produced every minute. The filled cans are then grouped and packed into cardboard boxes or trays, ready for their journey to warehouses and distribution centers around the world. It's a testament to the power of modern manufacturing and the global reach of the Pepsi brand. Now that we have all this Pepsi ready to go, let's see how it reaches every Section 9. The Final Sip, Pepsi's Journey to You. After its incredible journey from the factory floor to the store shelves, Pepsi's final destination is, of course, your hands, and ultimately your taste buds. Whether you're cracking open a can after a long day, grabbing a bottle on the go, or enjoying a glass with a meal, Pepsi is there to quench your thirst and refresh your senses. It's a beverage enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds, a symbol of refreshment, enjoyment, and connection. From its humble beginnings to its iconic status, Pepsi has become a part of our culture, a shared experience that transcends borders and languages. So next time you take a sip of Pepsi, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get to you. From the purification of the water to the secret syrup recipe, from the carbonation process to the bottling and canning, and from the warehousing and distribution to the final sale, it's a testament to human ingenuity, innovation, and the power of a brand to connect with people around the world. Cheers to that!